at charging ng Realme GT6. To start po, the Realme GT6 has a massive storage of 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes.
Alright, so that is a lot of the RAM capacity and also idadagdag mo pa yung storage na possible. Ano ba yung gamit nito in terms of like storage variants? Because I'm not really familiar with the entire system.
Actually po, ang gamit po nito ng storage variants ay high-speed DDR5 RAM at UFS 2.0 ROM.
Okay, so we talked about storage, we talked about a lot of numbers as well, and yung memory or yung storage is really very much helpful. Gaano kalaking tulong ba yung storage in terms of phone?
Ang massive storage tumutulong rin sa speed ng phone, so meaning sobrang bilis at smooth talaga ng Realme GT6.
And ang RAM naman na ito, or we have 12 gigabytes with up to 12 gigabytes dynamic RAM expansion as well. Kaya mag-multitask in terms of what you want to do. Dahil perfect din ito para sa ating mga manlalaro and para sa esports players such as you guys. Because as esports players, how do you usually multitask? Ano ba yung mga madalas na ginagawa niyo habang naglalaro? Or bukod sa paglalaro, ano ba yung ginagawa niyo kasi?
Facebook at TikTok.
Okay. Matik yun. Kasi streaming is also part of it, right?
So kapag nag-stream ka, pwede ka rin kapag nag-shoutout ka, pwede ka mag-multitask. So napakabilis ng mag-multitask. Balik-balik na ako.
That is a very nice take into it. Dahil walang lag, walang hassle, babalik-balik nga lang, just like what Oheb mentioned a while ago, with the Dash Memory Engine 3.0. Paano mo pinapadali nun in terms of the Dash Engine 3.0, yung buhay in terms of using it?
Actually guys, super line ang storage nito Realme GT6. Kaya niya mag-store ng 7 to 12 AAA titles na around 5 gigabytes for higher reach. Tulad ng mga nabanggit ni Ange at Doxy kanina.
Okay, so with that being said, there is a lot of games that you can install on there, right? And alam ko na marami kayong nilalaro na games also, mobile games aside from ML, but we're gonna stick with that, okay? Pero sa lahat ng mga gusto bumili ng Realme GT6 for the camera, there's a side note sa camera ng Realme GT6 kasi meron siyang 50 megapixel Sony LYT-808 OIS camera. So for the storage size ng Realme GT6, ano ba yung kaya nito, Oheb, in terms of the capacity with that?
Kaya nito mag-store ng high resolution
Okay, wait lang. Take 2 tayo. Take 2. Take 2 tayo. Ano yung kaya? Kasi medyo naubusan ka ng konti. Kayang-kaya na what?
Kaya nito mag-store ng high resolution photos, videos na up to 10,000 plus. Kasama pa rin nila dyan yung mga games na matao sa amin.
Ang dami. Ang dami niyang pwedeng i-store. So super dami. Kaya kung ang hanap nyo ay yung napakalaking storage and advanced memory tech, ang Realme GT6 ay kayang-kaya sumay sa fast-paced lifestyle and heavy gaming preferences natin. Well, we talked about a lot in terms of memory. Siyempre, importante rin yung battery, right? Pagdating sa battery, ano bang meron ng GT6?
Pagdating naman po sa battery, siyempre priority natin ang mabagal at mabilis mag-charge.
So, priority natin, ayaw natin yung mabagal. Diba? Gusto natin yung mabilis mag-charge. Well, we got an answer to that one dahil ang Realme GT6 ay may 120 watts SuperVOOC charge and may 5,500 milliamp hour battery. And yung na-mention ko kanina ng mga specs, ano ba yung makalagahan nun? Specifically, OHEB, yung 120 watts sa SuperVOOC charge.
Kaya, actually, yung
Ano yun?
Realme GT6, sobrang bilis mag-charge. Kaya niya mag-charge in just 26 minutes. Naka 100% battery ka na. If super nagmamadali kayo, kaya din. Dahil in 3 minutes, may 86% charge ka na. Or di kaya, 50% in just 10 minutes.
Okay, 50% in 10 minutes, right? 80% in 3 minutes. Sa mga ganong klase ba ng moments makakapaglaro ka na, ano ba, Haji, yung kahalagahan ng charging for you in this phone?
Kasi po kami po may ito
Oh, yes.
Yun po pa, nabiling po kami na nagbawa na low. So, pag mag-charge kami sa TikTok, so makapaglaro ulit kami doon.
Yeah, and especially with scrims, right? Madalas kayo naglalaro, so
Kasi
importante
namin
namin.
kasi gusto namin tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagpa-practice namin at hindi kami ma-disturb. So, sobrang perfect nung phone kasi nakapaglaro kami ng tuloy-tuloy non-stop, nakapag-practice kami tuloy-tuloy kasi sobrang tagal na laro.
That is a very important thing because they also want to be better players. At the same time, ang gamit ng Realme GT6 ay 120 watts yan charging adapter na compact na, mabilis pang mag-dissipate ng heat. Anong ibig sabihin ng G?
Ibig sabihin, kaya nang mag-fast charge nang hindi umiinit masyado ang phone. Portable, kaya pwede mo dalhin kahit saan. Diba may smart charging features dito ng Realme GT6.
Actually, meron siyang smart charging feature. So basically, it optimizes the battery and charging capabilities nito. And kasama na rin dyan yung smart charging protection, yung battery health monitoring, at yung aging battery charge acceleration. Well, the charging also goes hand to hand with the massive battery. Ano bang meron itong battery life ng Realme GT6?
So, ang Realme GT6 ay may 5,500 mAh massive battery. Alam natin na super battery efficient na ang Realme GT6, kaya may edge compared to other smartphone brands.
Well, usually, di ba, there's something different with that. Ano ba yung madalas natin nakikita sa ibang smartphones?
Madalas kasi sa ibang smartphones, 5,000 mAh lang yung battery. Pero ito kasi Realme GT6, may extra 500 mAh which as a bonus battery life.
Okay, so with that being said, ang dami nating nabanggit, yung charge, yung battery life, yung memory, among those three major things, ikaw, Oheb, ano ba yung pinaka-favorito mong spec or feature of the Realme GT6 Alpha?
Ako yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung fast charging na siya tapos matagal siya maliit. Kasi lalo sa mga gamers, gusto kasi nila yung nakapaglaro ng non-stop ng hindi na nai-istorbo gano'n ng low battery na hindi mapapahinga yung paglalaro. Ako gano'n na kaya sobrang gusto ko yung phone na yun kasi nakapaglaro ako ng hindi ako nag-disconnect.
Alright, so consistency and continuous playing. Ikaw, Haji?
Para sa akin po yung storage.
Alright,
Sorry.
storage.
Makapagdami ko ng marami nila. Tapos,
Especially with ML, right? There's a lot of updates in playing Mobile Legends. Well, overall, just like what I've mentioned, very hard to beat on storage, battery, and charging ng Realme GT6. Just a quick question, boys. Realme GT6, ano, rated from 1 to 10?
Siyempre, kitang-kita naman sa mga specs na nabanggit namin natin.
Alright, with charging, with battery, and also with the Haji, ikaw din. Siyempre, hindi ka pwede manigas. 11! Alright, I see it. Well, that's finally it for these two boys. Again, everyone, please give a warm round of applause to Oheb and Haji. They don't usually do this. We see them on, the desk all the time. And of course, thank you very much as well